The concept of self-assembling electronics, inspired by nature's innate ability to form complex structures with minimal external intervention, is reshaping the technological landscape. Borrowing principles from molecular biology and nanotechnology, self-assembling electronics involve materials that autonomously organize themselves into functional electronic components. This innovative approach has the potential to transform industries ranging from consumer electronics to healthcare, energy, and even space exploration. At its core, self-assembly leverages physical and chemical forces to create intricate patterns or structures. The process involves directed assembly. External fields, such as magnetic or electric forces, guide the arrangement of materials. Bottom-up construction. Molecules or nanoparticles spontaneously arrange themselves into larger structures, akin to how biological cells form tissues. For example, self-assembling materials like block copolymers, which are polymers made from two or more distinct segments, can form highly ordered nanoscale patterns ideal for electronics manufacturing. As consumer demand for smaller, more powerful gadgets continues to grow, self-assembling electronics offer a way to manufacture components at the nanoscale. This technology can help create ultra-compact processors, memory chips, and sensors that consume less power while delivering enhanced performance. If you're new to this channel and liking my video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you for your support. Self-assembling materials can enable the production of lightweight, flexible, and stretchable electronic devices. These are critical for wearables like fitness trackers, smart clothing, and medical monitoring devices that need to conform to the human body without compromising functionality. In medicine, self-assembling electronics hold immense potential for creating biocompatible devices that integrate seamlessly with the human body. Examples include implantable sensors for real-time health monitoring and electronics that degrade naturally after completing their function, reducing the need for surgical removal. The solar energy industry can benefit from self-assembled thin-film solar cells, which promise increased efficiency and lower production costs. Self-assembly techniques could optimize the alignment of light harvesting molecules, improving energy capture. Traditional semiconductor fabrication involves complex lithography processes, which are expensive and time-consuming. Self-assembling materials can create nanoscale features with minimal intervention, reducing costs while improving precision. In space missions, self-assembling electronics could play a vital role in creating lightweight, robust systems that can assemble or repair themselves autonomously. This could reduce the need for human intervention and make spacecraft and satellites more resilient. The Internet of Things, IoT, depends on efficient and adaptive sensors. Self-assembling materials can produce sensors that respond dynamically to environmental changes, enhancing smart home and industrial IoT systems. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.